Hey friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we actually have a box to unbox. So these are tissue boxes. Wooden tissue boxes that hold tissue. That's what most tissue boxes do, I guess. But these ones are kind of cool. So this is a 2-pack. I got them from Amazon for about $19. And pretty neat. So it's a little like wooden box. It says "Bless You" on the front. If someone sneezes, it has a nice little latch here you can open up and put the normal sized, smaller, the half-size tissue box in there, I guess. You know what? Let me go check and see if we have one of these real quick. So I only have the double wide tissue boxes instead of the little ones right now. So I can't show you that it fits in there, but it looks like it'd be the correct dimensions and everything. I'm sure they wouldn't make it wrong, so it wouldn't fit in there. That would be a pretty bad move if you're trying to sell some stuff. So here's the other one too. So just kind of a cute little box. Appears to be, it's pretty lightweight. Has nice little, looks to be brass hinges on there, and the little lever or lock on the front is pretty cool too. So it just goes right in there like that. Pretty neat. So yeah, look to be no slivers or anything like that on them. Just kind of a rustic looking little box. So definitely a lot nicer than, a little tissue box sitting on your thing. Plus, a lot of tissues they get stuck in there. So when you lift out a tissue, lifts up the whole box. So this will add a little bit more weight. So when you're trying to pull it out, maybe it won't do that. So pretty cool. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check these out. I do get a little bit. I am an Amazon associate, so I do get some kickback. So it helps support the channel if you click on that link. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.